When you were a child, you had a dream. I know you did. Maybe you wanted to be a doctor. Maybe you wanted to be a singer. Maybe you wanted to travel the world or write a book or build something great. You felt it in your chest, that burning, exciting, beautiful feeling, like anything was possible, like the whole world was waiting for you. Do you remember that feeling? Close your eyes for just 1 second and try to remember it. That dream, that fire, that version of you who believed, truly believed, that one day you would make it. Can you feel it? Good. Now I want to ask you something very honest, something that might be a little painful. Where is that dream today? Is it still burning inside you? Or did you quietly put it out? Did life get in the way? Did someone tell you it was impossible? Did you fail once and decide that once was enough? Did you simply stop? If you are watching this right now and somewhere deep inside you, you feel the ghost of a dream you once had, a dream you let go of, then this video is for you. Welcome to Learn English with One Question. I am David Phill, and today's question is one of the most important questions I have ever asked on this channel. Why do people give up on their dreams? Stay with me, because today we are not just learning English, we are learning something about life. I want to tell you about a woman named Sarah. Sarah was 19 years old when she fell in love with painting. Every single day, she would sit at her small wooden desk by the window and she would paint sunsets, faces, cities, emotions. She painted everything she felt, and she was good. Really, truly good. Her friends told her she was talented. Her mother told her her paintings were beautiful. Sarah had one dream: to become a professional artist, to show her paintings in galleries, to make people feel something with her work. She was so full of hope, so full of light. And then, life happened. Her family needed money, so Sarah got a job at an office. Just for now, she told herself. Just until things get better. But things stayed the same. The job became 2 years. 2 years became 5. 5 became 10. And Sarah's paintbrush collected dust on the shelf. She still walked past art galleries. She still stopped at paintings in shop windows. And every time she did, she felt something strange in her chest. A heavy, quiet ache. Like a word you forgot, but cannot stop trying to remember. That feeling, my friends, is called longing. Longing. This is our first vocabulary word today. Longing is a deep emotional desire for something you once had, or something you always wanted but never reached. Sarah longed for her dream, but she had already given up on it. Without even realizing it, she'd let it go. Maybe Sarah's story sounds familiar to you. Maybe you are not a painter, but maybe you have a shelf too. And on that shelf, there's something collecting dust. A guitar you stopped playing, a language you stopped learning, a business idea you stopped believing in, a dream you stopped chasing. Today, we are going to talk about why that happens, and I promise you, by the end of this video, you will understand yourself a little better. And maybe, just maybe, you will pick up that paintbrush again. So, now, the question we came here to answer. Why do people give up on their dreams? I am going to give you 3 deep, honest reasons, and with each reason, I will teach you powerful English words that you can use in your real life. Let's begin. Reason number 1. The weight of discouragement. Our second vocabulary word today is discouragement. Discouragement is the feeling you get when something or someone makes you feel like you cannot do it. like you are not good enough, like you should stop trying. It is a heavy word, and it is a heavy feeling. Because discouragement does not always come from strangers. It comes from the people closest to us. A parent who says, "Be realistic." A friend who says, "That's not a real job." A teacher who says, "You're not talented enough." These words plant a small seed of doubt in your heart, and if you hear them enough times, that seed grows into a wall between you and your dream. Here is a sentence using this word. Sarah's dreams slowly died under the weight of discouragement. Now you try. Think of something you wanted to do, and remember the moment someone discouraged you. Use this word to describe it. I felt discouraged when. This is real English, emotional English, powerful English, and it is yours now. But discouragement from others is only part of the story, because sometimes the harshest voice does not come from outside. It comes from inside. It comes from you. You look in the mirror and you say, "Who do you think you are? People like you don't make it. You are too ordinary, too late, too far behind." That voice, that cruel, quiet voice inside your head, is called your inner critic. And for many people, the inner critic is louder than any dream. That is where resilience comes in. The people who achieve their dreams are not the ones who never fail. They are the ones who fail and decide to stand up one more time. Thomas Edison failed over 1,000 times before he invented the light bulb. 1,000. And when a reporter asked him how it felt to fail 1,000 times, Edison said, "I did not fail 1,000 times. I found 1,000 ways that do not work." That is resilience. That is the word. That is the mindset. And that is the difference between people who reach their dreams and people who give up on them. Reason number 3, the slow death of patience. Our 5th vocabulary word today is perseverance. Perseverance is the act of continuing to do something difficult for a long time without giving up, even when it is hard, even when progress is slow, even when you cannot see the finish line. It is different from resilience. Resilience is about recovering after a fall. Perseverance is about keeping walking every single day, even when you have not fallen, but you are simply tired. This is one of the most common and most invisible reasons people give up on their dreams. Not because something dramatic happened, not because they failed spectacularly, but simply because it took too long. We live in a world that loves speed. We want fast results, fast success, fast fame. And when a dream requires years of quiet, invisible, unrewarded work, most people stop because they look around and they see other people succeeding. They see people younger than them with more money, more followers, more recognition. And they think, maybe this is a sign. Maybe it is not meant for me. Maybe I should stop. But what they do not see is how long those people worked in silence before anyone noticed. Most overnight successes took 10 years to build. Most great artists spent a decade making work that nobody saw. Perseverance is not exciting. It is not beautiful in the moment, but it is the single most powerful quality a dreamer can have. And the people who give up, they almost always give up just before the moment everything was about to change. Let's review the words you learned today. Say each one out loud. Your voice matters. Your English matters. Let's go. Word 1. Longing. Longing is a deep emotional desire for something you lost or never reached. Example: Sarah felt a deep longing every time she walked past an art gallery. Use it in real life. I have a longing to travel, to create, to be more than I am right now. Word 2. Discouragement. Discouragement is the feeling that you cannot do something, often caused by other people's words or reactions. Example: the discouragement from her family made Sarah put down her paintbrush. Use it. Don't let discouragement stop you. It is just someone else's fear speaking. Word 3. Resilience. Resilience is the strength to recover after difficulty, to rise after falling. Example: Edison's resilience is why we have light today. Use it. I am building my resilience one difficult day at a time. Word 4. Terrified. Terrified means extremely afraid, a deep, powerful fear. Example: most people are terrified of failing, so they never try at all. Use it. I was terrified of starting, but I started anyway. Word 5. Perseverance. Perseverance is continuing quietly and consistently through difficulty and time. Example: it was not talent that brought her success, it was perseverance. Use it. Your perseverance is your superpower. Keep going. 5 words: longing, discouragement, resilience, terrified, perseverance. These are not just English words. These are the words of a human life. Learn them, feel them, use them. Quick quiz time. 3 questions. Think, answer out loud, then I will tell you. Ready? Question 1. What is the word for a deep emotional desire for something you lost or never reached? Think. The answer is longing. Beautiful word. Question 2. What do we call the strength to rise again after a fall or a failure? Think. The answer is resilience. Say it again. Resilience. One more time. Resilience. Make it yours. Question 3. What is the word for continuing quietly and consistently through difficulty and time without giving up? The answer is perseverance. Write that one down. Stick it on your wall. Look at it every day. Before I finish today, I need to say something, and I need you to really hear it. There is a dream inside you. I do not know what it is. Maybe you do not even know what it is anymore, but it is there. It never fully dies. It just goes quiet. It goes quiet when people tell you it is impossible. It goes quiet when you fail and it hurts too much. It goes quiet when years pass and nothing seems to change. But quiet is not the same as gone. Your dream is still there. Waiting. Patient. Like Sarah's paintbrush on the shelf. All it needs is for you to pick it up again. Not tomorrow. Not when you feel ready. Not when the world gives you permission. Now. Today. One small step. One word written. One note played. One application sent. One sentence spoken in English. That is enough. That is how it starts. That is how it always starts. With one small, brave, terrified, beautiful step. Thank you for watching Learn English with One Question. I am David Phill, and I am genuinely grateful that you spent this time with me today. If this video touched something in you, if it gave you even one word, one idea, one small piece of courage, please give it a thumbs up right now. That one click tells me to keep making videos like this. And if you are not yet part of our family here on this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Every single week, we explore one powerful question and we learn real, emotional, beautiful English together. This is a place where language and life meet, and I want you here. I will see you in the next episode. Until then, keep learning, keep dreaming, and please, do not let the world talk you out of who you were born to be. Take care, my friend.